Hi, my name is Anshul Gupta. I am from SMPP. Today we are displaying our armor protection range for aircrafts and ballistic protection gears. These are our armor protection range for aircraft which we are supplying to HAL, LCH helicopter and for LUH also. Even we are exporting to Airbus. These are our range for ballistic helmets. This is one of the lightest helmet, world's lightest helmet of 900 gram, which we are manufacturing in India. It's complete 100% India. These are some designs for jackets which we are displaying today. This jacket is specially designed for pilots. This jacket is specially designed for special forces, which allows you maximum movement. This jacket is specially designed for long operations. We are displaying some of our plates. This is world's lightest plate of level 3 of 800 gram. It can stop 7.62 into 39 mild steel core rounds and 7.62 into 51 NATO balls. Also, we are displaying today an NIJ level 4 plate. It can stop sniper rounds 7.62 into 63 rounds. It is NIJ level 4 plate. It is around 2 kg and it can stop one shot, and it can stop armor piercing rounds for AK-47 6 shots. We are the only manufacturer for boron carbide ceramic in India. Even in Asia also, there are only 5 companies in the world, 3 from US, 1 from Germany and 1 from India. This is a boron carbide material, which is one of the lightest and hardest material known to mankind. This is our patent product. This helmet can protect you from AK-47 rounds, from AK-47 hard steel core rounds and armor piercing also. This is our patented product. No one else in the world is making for this. This helmet is specially designed for para jumping, for Air Force and Army. So this is all which we are displaying today. Apart from that, we are into ammunition also. We are making ammunition for tank and artillery.